Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview 102 by 63 by 25-inch above-ground swimming pool. This above-ground pool provides a space to swim, splash, and have fun with friends and family all summer long. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. It's the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Product benefits. The outside of the swimming pool is made of 2 layers of PVC tape, and the interlayer is made of mesh material. The support surface of the rectangular frame pool adopts high-quality electroplating treatment. Easy to build without any auxiliary tools. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.